Hi, it's Greg and Celeste with Sulcata Grove. We're on our annual anniversary vacation to Homestead, Florida. So we're filming out of a hotel room right now. But we stopped by and we got some fruit, some that we brought with us from home and some that we've gotten since we've been here that we wanted to do some taste tests with. We stopped by and saw our good friend Norris Ledesma, who works out at Fairchild Gardens, and she gave us a Kesar to try and a couple other ones that we'll probably do, but we're going to start off with the Kesar. Kesar is an Indian mango. People who are from India absolutely love Kesar. It's like the top dessert mango in all of India. I have a branch grafted onto a tree at my house of Kesar, but it's never produced, so I've never had one before. So,
you smell it? Is that the one that smells really good?
It's got a little mango smell to it, but not particularly strong. This one, I'm not quite sure if it's super ripe or not. It's still a little firm, but I think it's ready. There's the smell. It's got a very spicy, resinous smell to it, which can be good or bad. Too much, to me, a good mango should have a little bit of a resinous flavor to it, but too much isn't good. But we'll see how this goes. And Indian mangoes tend to have a pretty strong resin to them. Some of them. It's very juicy mango. This is definitely ready. Does smell good. Feels like it's got a little bit of fiber in there, but not too bad. At least right now. Yeah, center seed anyway. All right, let's see.
I really like that.
That's good. It does have, I'm not even going to say a strong flavor, but I'm going to say a complex flavor. It's got a little bit, the perfect amount of resin in there.
It's got a hint of citrus with a lot of mango flavor.
Yeah, that is a good mango.
It's excellent.
Very juicy. There is no fiber. The fiber's all right near the seed, so the fiber I was hitting was on the seed, not... Ooh, grab another piece of that. That's good. Does it remind you of curry maybe a little bit, with a little spicy curry?
I like it better than curry. Well, it's got a way better texture.
Well, the complexity, a fruit punchy flavor to it.
A little bit of that, but to me the biggest flavor is mango. Just like a classic mango flavor with hints of citrus and hints of some other
an orange juice based fruit punchy flavor to me, but still with the mango and just a little bit of resin and a little bit of, yeah, that's a good mango. Okay,
that's excellent.
So excellent. So people from India, I get it now. I understand. Yeah, that is just and it is a definitely dessert mango. It doesn't have the strong spiciness that some of them have that can be off-putting. It's nothing like that. That's just a very good, sweet, juicy, complex.
Yeah. There's nothing objectionable.
Yeah,
I can't imagine
that's a very, very good mango. So anyway, I'm glad we tried that. We actually have another one that we'll be eating in a minute. But yeah,
I want to put a tree in the ground. Like, I feel like a branch isn't enough.
So we can do that. We can graft one off of that. But anyway, so yeah, very exciting. Definitely worth putting in. I understand why people who have had this one want to have it again. That's
excellent. Mango.
That's an excellent mango. So 9.5 out of 10.
That's
simply because I think
too.
I've had ones that just had a little extra punch of something over the top, but certainly nothing missing in this one.
And they've had a lot of rain here, and Norris was telling us that a lot of the mangoes are washed out this year. So
and if that's washed out, maybe normally it even has a more intense flavor, but I can't imagine it being negative. So that was, yeah, that's a good mango. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Pick the mango from the tree, and the mango down to me. Put the mango in a sack, put the sack up on my